Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to delete a blended data in a Google Data Studio, which is now also called Looker Studio. So this is the table I blended. Okay, the blended table I created after blending these two tables. Now to delete this, it's very easy. So all you need to do is first come here at the top panel. You will see Resource. I want you to go ahead and click on Resource, and then click on Manage Blends. Okay, the second option here in this set of options. It's also like Manage Blends. So have this blended data. Okay, it's used in the one chart I have. And all you need to do is come here to the right hand side and click on Remove. Okay, and this will give you a pop-up asking you to confirm. Click on Remove Blend, and there you go, it's gone. Now if I come back here, the data source is missing, and you can just easily go ahead and right click on this, okay, and scroll down, click on delete, and there you go. Really that easy and simple.